Hey, this is your Daily Dose of Duds, April 10th, 2020. I know that yesterday's lesson was a little long. Today and Mondays will be a little shorter. All right, here's all we're going to do today. We're just going to do a quick review and then some practice. So the first three problems, you can just grab a calculator and see if you can figure out the answer to it. Here they are right here. Let me scroll down so you can see them, and I'm going to put myself up. We need to find the sum of the interior angles for each of these three regular polygons. I know they're a little bit smushed, a little distorted, but they are regular polygons. And you'll need one angle as well. I'll let you take a look at those. All right, I'm going to do one of them, and then I'll show you the answers to the other. All right, this guy here, let me clear my calculator. I got 1, 2, I like to mark these up just a touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I got a total of 9 sides. So I'm going to subtract 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 times 180 degrees. That'll give me a total of 1260 degrees. 1260 degrees is the sum of the interior angles. Each angle, again, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to divide that by 9, and all these angles will be the same, 140 degrees. That's just a quick review. Here are the answers to the other ones. Okay, I think we're ready to practice. Let me get myself back down in the corner here, and G67 and kids, you're going to have something different to practice than the other kids. So if you're in my 1, 3, and 6 or in Mr. Matthews' class, you're going to be doing 12 problems on 2 different pages. So you can put the first 6 problems on the top of this page, and the bottom put the second page, the 6 problems. So I'll go ahead and freeze those. Here's the top of the page, the first 6. Let me just get my cursor down and get this opened up for you so you can see these. All right. See if I can get that up there enough so I can get my face out. There we go. All right, go ahead and pause the screen and do those first 6 problems. Okay. If you really wanted to screenshot it, you could, but in my notebook I just put 1 through 6, or on this, a clean sheet at the top half of that piece of paper, and just show my calculations. Basically, showing your work on here is what did you put into the calculator. All right, the next one. Independent practice 2. This would be number these and put these 6 on the bottom. I'll let you take a look at that example real quick. Okay, these are not regular polygons, so I'll just freeze it there. You can figure out what X is. Remember, on these, after you figure out the sum of the interior angles, just take that sum and subtract all the other angles, and you'll be left with X. Okay. I'll let you check your answers on those. Here are the answers to the top 6. Thanks for being patient, G's. I'll get to your assignment in a second. Answer to the first 6. Here's the answers to the next 6. Okay, and if you're a G kid or an E kid, I need you to work through these 18 problems right here. Move this up just a touch, see if I can get everything on the page. You need to find the sum of the interior angles for these convex polygons. So I'm going to put this up so you can see everything at one time. Okay. All right. And the answers for the G's. Right here, I'll let you take a look at them. See if I can get them so you can see them all at one time. I can't. Scroll up so you can see the bottom here. Now these ones down here at the bottom were kind of tricky, where you had to figure out the number of sides based upon the angle. You probably, one way to do this is just make a little chart. Start off with try 7 and figure it out that If there's 7 sides, you're going to have a certain angle. If there's 6 sides, you're going to have a certain angle. If there's 10 sides, you're going to have a certain angle, and you can kind of go up or down from there and figure it out. The other way you can do it is you can use this formula here. This angle, 140 degrees, is equal to the number of sides minus 2 times 180. And you divide that all by the number of sides. Putting it into this formula is a little more complicated. That's something that I wish we could be together so that you could practice, but unfortunately we won't be able to do that today. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure that you upload those to the proper place. I think I've got it labeled right on here. Upload that to 410 Practice. Either these 2 pages if you're not a G or an E, and if you're a G or E, upload those other problems, the 18 problems. Okay, thank you.